Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have a very special one for you today. It is a peach honey thyme granola that is out of this world. Combination is just so perfect to kick off summer. The granola we're gonna make from scratch, and it is super friendly for any of your dietary needs. It is paleo, it is gluten-free, it is vegan, and it is amazing, and it's sweetened with some dates. So you guys, let's get started, and I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing summer recipe.
Take a sheet pan and line it with some parchment paper. We're gonna start with 2 cups of almonds, and these are raw, unsalted. Just dump them right on the cookie sheet. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of walnuts, and you can crush these up if you like them smaller bites. I like my granola with larger bites, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave those. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of cashews. My cashews are actually dry roasted and salted, and those are always my favorite kind of cashews, so we're gonna add those as well. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, 1 cup of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, and then we're gonna add about a cup or so of coconut flakes. Next, we are going to add 15 dates. These are medjool dates. They're incredibly sweet, and what I like to do whenever I'm making sweets is actually boil them. So what you have to do first is cut them lengthwise in half, remove the seeds, and then put them in about a half a cup of water and boil until soft.
Okay, so after about 5-10 minutes of boiling, the dates get nice and soft. Some of the water evaporates, and so we're actually gonna pour the entire thing into a blender. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're just gonna blend until this is a nice puree. We're gonna add the puree right on top, and then we're gonna mix it all together. After you've coated the granola with your date paste, you're just going to spread the granola out. You can add more honey, some blackstrap molasses if you like it a little bit sweeter. I like the sweetness level of the dates only, so it's totally personal preference. I'm gonna pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15-20 minutes, and I'm gonna check on it once, toss it, make sure nothing's burnt, and then in about 20 minutes or so, it'll be done. The larger chunks of the granola, I like to go ahead and just break them apart. And then that way when I go ahead and eat it, it's always the perfect bite size. Okay, so to build our honey thyme peach granola, we're gonna start with a little bit of granola at the bottom of the bowl. Then we're gonna add a couple of our peach slices, a couple dollops of our yogurt, and I'm gonna be using a grass-fed unsweetened yogurt. You can use sweetened, you can use non-dairy, whatever you prefer. So I'm just gonna do a couple dollops of that, and then I'm gonna drizzle with some honey. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit more granola, a few more slices of our peaches, and then we're gonna add 1 more dollop of our yogurt. Then we're gonna add just a smidge more honey. I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme, and then I'm gonna pinch, and then I'm gonna pull down, and that's how you clean the stem of thyme. Sprinkle right on top, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit because I love these little flowers that you can buy edible from Whole Foods. I'm just gonna add a couple. And then that's how I make my peach honey thyme granola. I'm gonna dig into this stunning bowl. How beautiful would this be for just like a group of them together? I just think like if you were to have a party and have a bunch of these for like a brunch, how beautiful that would be. I'm even trying to find the right words to say because this is so good. It really is just so delicious. The earthiness of the thyme is just balanced out so incredibly well with the sweetness of the peach. It is so stinking delicious, you guys. This combination just feels like such a special treat, even though it's just some ordinary ingredients. Just so delicious. The granola is perfectly balanced with the tang of the yogurt and the sweetness of the honey. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this. I have another bowl over here for Damien that I'm gonna go give him. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. I make new videos every single week, and I love to inspire you to cook fresh to your table. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. So good. So good.